Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the Disney Plus application from your smartphone. So let's get started right away. Now, if you don't wish to use the Disney Plus application anymore and you want to delete it, then long press on the Disney application from your homepage or your app drawer and then tap on the uninstall option. You will then be asked whether you are sure that you want to uninstall this application. You can tap on the uninstall option and it will be uninstalled right away. You can also open up your phone settings and then scroll down and hover over to apps. From the apps menu, tap on the search box and then search for the Disney Plus application. Once you find it, tap on it and you will see the uninstall button at the bottom section. Tap on this and once again provide your confirmation and the Disney Plus application will be uninstalled right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete the Disney Plus application from your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.